how to know if someone is online on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can see if someone is online on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to see who is online on Instagram, for that first of all open the Instagram application, then just tap the DMs icon. By default you'll be able to see a list of active people by being able to see the green dots right next to them. But in case you don't find it, then what do? Well, that is because you could have turned off your own online status. In order to be able to view other people's active status, you need to turn on your own active status first, otherwise you will not be able to view it. So for that, just come to the profile page from the bottom right, tap the three lines icon from the top right, go to settings and privacy. Once you come to settings and privacy, you're going to see this type of interface where you have to go to message and story replies, and then go to this option called show activity status and make sure it is turned on. Now this option could be different depending upon whether you have a personal, private or professional account. After that you can go to the DM space to view all the active status. So this way you can know if someone is online on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.